Welcome to our Developers Diary YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new series of Oracle Apex. So Oracle provides us a free workspace to hands-on related to Apex development. So simply go to the browser and type Oracle Apex free workspace. Here you get the first option, the getting started. So simply click on that option and you will land it to this page. Here you can click on the free sign up and then a new page open. Here you can enter your first name, last name, email address, workspace, and select your country simply, and then request for workspace. Kindly remember your email and workspace because it is very necessary to log in into your workspace. I have already created one, so I shall log in into it. After login, you landed to this dashboard type options. Here you have app builder, your SQL development shop, and team development and gallery. The app builder, here you develop your Apex application actually. And in actual workshop, here you can create your DB objects like table, procedure, and views. In team development option, you can assign tasks, features, and bugs to your entire team and get their feedback in a single location. And in the gallery option, you get starter apps, sample apps, utility apps for your initial knowledge. So let's look into the SQL workshop. In the SQL workshop, you have five options. The first one is object browser, and the second one is SQL command. Third one is SQL script, utilities, and RESTful services. In the object browser, you can define and view your DB objects. Here you have multiple options like tables, view, indexes, sequences, types, packages, and so many more to define your DB objects. You can expand your table uh, option, and you can see I have already created multiple tables into this. You can simply define your tables, add columns, modify columns, rename columns, and drop columns, and simply refresh. You can see the data here, indexes, option, constraints, grants, triggers, and DDL options as well. In the SQL command, it just like a query editor. You can write your queries here and run them. For example, we can find a table here. I have table. You can see the table structure and the simple query over here. Simply copy the query and run in this editor. And results are there. You can see the results in the SQL script. If you want to store your script in a one place and run in a single go, then this option can be used. Let's say I have a table creation uh, script over here. So when I run it, all the tables get created, indexes, and sequence as well. Then you have utilities and RESTful services option. So these options we will discuss in the future videos tutorials, and you can watch them. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lecture.